In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee 2025. Step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your accounts, pick the right product, list it on Shopee, and fulfill orders smoothly with clear communication and tracking. First, create your accounts. Head to Alibaba.com and sign up for a buyer account. Then go to Shopee.com or your local Shopee site and create a seller account. To make daily tasks faster, download the Alibaba app and the Shopee Seller Center app so you can manage messages, listings, and orders on the go. Next, choose a product on Alibaba. Search for items that are lightweight and easy to ship, ideally with fewer moving parts to reduce returns. Check supplier ratings and aim for 4.5 stars or higher with solid recent reviews. Look for a small minimum order quantity so you're not locked into big commitments. Before you proceed, message the supplier and ask if they allow dropshipping. While you're at it, confirm processing times, available shipping methods to your country, and whether they can ship without invoices or branded inserts. Now collect product details. Save the product images, descriptions, and specifications from the Alibaba listing. Clean up anything with logos or watermarks before you upload to Shopee. It helps to rewrite the description in clear, benefit-focused language, and make sure measurements, colors, and materials are accurate and easy to understand. Let's list the product on Shopee. Go to your Shopee Seller Center and click Add New Product. Upload your images, then fill in the title, description, attributes, price, and shipping weight. Set your price to cover your Alibaba cost, estimated shipping, and your target profit margin. If variations exist, set them up carefully so buyers pick the right size or color. Accurate weight and dimensions help Shopee calculate shipping and prevent surprises. When you get an order on Shopee, go back to Alibaba and purchase the same item from your chosen supplier. Enter your customer's shipping address from Shopee as the delivery address on Alibaba. Double check the variant, quantity, and address formatting, then confirm and pay. Track and update shipping. Ask the supplier for the tracking number as soon as it's available. Add that tracking info to your Shopee order so your buyer can monitor delivery. Proactive updates reduce inquiries and build trust. Finally, keep communicating with your supplier. Stay in touch for shipping updates, stock availability, and potential bulk discounts as you get repeat orders. Clear, consistent communication keeps your store running smoothly and your customers happy.